let's review and explore squares, cubes, and roots. What is a square number? An example of a square number would be 100. To square the number 5, we'll start with a line segment that's 5 units in length. Then we'll turn that into a square, and we'll measure the area of the square, which in this case is 25. So the math sentence is 5 squared equals 25. Square numbers are numbers that can represent the areas of squares. The smallest square number is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, etc. Square roots. We'll determine the side length of a square if its area is 49 square units, the side length is 7, and the math sentence is the square root of 49 equals 7. You may be asked to place square roots on the number line. Of these 6 numbers, the first 3 have integer values and can be placed directly on the number line. The square root of perfect squares will be integer values. The square root of 15 is a little less than 4. The square root of 52 is a little bit more than 7. And the square root of 1/4 is 1/2. What are perfect cubes? To cube the number 2, we'll imagine a cube of side length 2. The volume of this cube will be 8 cubic units. And so the math sentence that we can use is 2 to the 3rd power equals 8, or 2 cubed equals 8. The number 8 is an example of a perfect cube. There are other perfect cubes. And these are numbers that can represent the volume of cubes, such as 1, 8, 27, 64, etc. Let's consider cube root. And this is when we're given the volume of a cube, like 125, and we're asked to find the side length. In this case, the side length would be 5. The math sentence is the cube root of 125 equals 5. Write 2 math sentences using cubes and cube roots that follow from this image. We say in words 4 cubed equals 64. We also say the cube root of 64 equals 4.